Hello, cordial greetings. My name is Juan Carlos Lopez Blanco, an industrial engineering student and SEAD in the city of Tunja in the course of Management Models Innovation. Um, Next, I will present the reflection corresponding to the book Castañón, Technology in Management Content and Practice, Competitive Technology Intelligence as a basic technology management tool as required in point 2 of the guide. Reflection of the strategy importance of competitive technology intelligence. Purpose. The purpose of the thesis reflection is to highlight the critical relevance of competitive technology intelligence as an essential tool for technology management in modern organization, focusing on how allow identifying opportunities and trends in the changing scientific and technology environment develop. Into its environment on rapid technological evolution and globalization, organization face constant challenge and remain competitive. Emerging and stretching to the navigate this dynamic landscape, this tool not only provides valuable information of relevant external develop boosts facilitates informed and timeline decision making. The quality of information is essential in the extreme decision-making process, thus in whose called date. It transforms this information on the activity intelligence, allowing organization to anticipate the trend, evaluation computation, allow organization and building understand the ever-changing technology landscape. Advantage of development. And technology development drives innovation to facilitate the searches and development of new products and services. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and biotechnology are transforming in the industry and generate these solutions. Early identification opportunidad and train competitive technology in the allow organization to identify and emerging technology market street and competition activity early on. And this early identification helps in seizing opportunities and approaching the addressing potential threat, giving the organization a competitive edge. NXT strategization market by public competition insights into technology landscape, competitive technology intelligence, and a more informed and strategic decision market and organization channeling their efforts, innovation, strategy and resolution of the wind market and demands and future trends. Improved innovation process, leveraging competitive technology intelligence can enhance the innovation process within an organization. By understand external technologies and market dynamics, organizations can innovate more effectively, develop new products, observe the meet, course news, and supermesh. Conclusion, competent technology, intelligence, and much more data collection represent and compresses the strategy, improves competitiveness and performance in a screening challenge bushing environment by adopting and formatting as integral parts technology management, organization cash productivity, and anticipates and adapted technology trends. TRB is stage tutoring success and global set and constantly evolving market. Hello, thank you.